Hi everyone, if you are seeing the could not activate cellular data network error on Spectrum Mobile, don't worry, we have got a solution for you in this video. We will walk you through the steps to fix this issue and get your cellular data working again. Let's get started. Outdated software versions can cause compatibility issues with Spectrum Mobile's network, preventing cellular data activation. Incorrect network settings can block the device from connecting to the cellular data network. Issues with the SIM or eSIM, including not removing old profiles from previous carriers, can lead to connectivity problems. Scheduled maintenance or upgrades by Spectrum can temporarily disrupt mobile data services. Device-specific problems like losing data connectivity and displaying SOS only can prevent cellular data activation. Fix 1. Check server status. Make sure have a good network coverage in your area. Go to Spectrum coverage page. The link is given in the description. You can directly go through it. Then click View Map, enter your address and click Search button. See the coverage in your area. Update software. There might be an issue with the software issues. iOS, go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Check for updates if an update is available. Tap Download and Install. Ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery life. For Android, go to Settings, then System, then go to Advanced, then go to System Updates. Tap Check for update. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and charged. Fix 3. Turn on or off aeroplane mode. Restarting aeroplane mode can help resolve network connectivity issues by forcing your device to re-establish a fresh connection to available networks, often solving connectivity problems. Swipe down the quick settings, toggle off airplane mode, wait for 2 seconds and turn off airplane mode. Fix 4. Delete old SIM. If you have installed eSIM before deleting the eSIM or resolved connectivity issues or glitches that may arise. For iOS, open Settings, tap on Cellular, select the eSIM plan, remove Cellular plan, confirm your choice. For Android, open Settings, select Network and Internet, go to Mobile Networks, select the eSIM and delete the eSIM. Restart your device. Restarting an Android or iOS device can clear its memory, fix minor issues like crashing apps and provide a quick solution to various problems. Restarting on Android device, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap on Restart or Reboot. If you don't see this option, you may need to select Power Off and then turn it back on by pressing the power button again. Restarting iOS, press and hold the volume down button and the slide button simultaneously until the power off sliders appears. Drag the slider to turn off the device. Press and hold the slide button again until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings will erase all network configurations. After resetting, you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi network and repair Bluetooth devices. For iOS, tap on Settings, go to General, scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then go to Reset, then Reset network settings. If prompted, enter your device's passcode. For Android, go to the Settings, then System, then go to Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi Mobile and Bluetooth. Fix 7. Reset network mode. In areas with weak signal, switching to a lower network mode like 4G can sometimes result in a more stable connection, as lower frequencies can penetrate buildings better. Changing network mode on iOS, open Settings, tap on Cellular, tap on Cellular Data Options. Here you can choose between options like 5G on 5G Auto, LTE or 3G. Changing network mode on Android, open Settings, tap on Network and Internet, tap on Mobile Network, choose the desired network mode, example 2G, 3G, 4G or 5G. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.